Hello everyone. Today I'll be doing my own project on academic advancement and I am particularly talking about the first year experience program at Georgia Southern University. And the reason why I chose academic advising because throughout the higher ed program, I want I want to become an academic advisor. And this is the and that's why I chose this particular field and this particular program. 'Cause I want to advise students. I want to make a difference. And the first year programs, the first year program is a program I knew don't know hardly a little about because I started out a freshman at Middle Georgia College, so I have the opportunity to go into the first year experience program and the different programs offered at Georgia Southern, which I'm later gonna get into that. I'm later gonna get into that. First, I'm gonna talk about the advancement centers at Georgia Southern. At Georgia Southern, you have the College of Business Administration, College of Education, Allen E. Paulson College of Engineering and Information Technology, Ron Pond HSU College of Public Health, College of Health and Human Science, College of Liberal Arts and Social Science, College of Science and Mathematics, and what I'm talking about today is the first year experience. Academic Advising First Year Experience Program. Every college has an academic advisement center, and the first year experience serves as the academic home for undeclared students. It's basically for students that don't know what what major they want to take, and they undeclare about their major. So the first year program is a good program for that particular program, and it's also students also can do dual enrollment. High school students where they still in high school but they take college level classes. Georgia Southern requires all students to be advised before registering each semester. GSU believes this individual attention is essential to the university student-centered mission. About first year experience, Georgia Southern University first year experience program. Vision statement. First year experience at Georgia Southern University will prepare students to become self-directed learners capable of authoring their own education experiences. Mission statement. To promote academic excellence in student learning, first year experience facilitate first year students' acclimation to the university community. First year experiences faculty-led initiative foster engagement and help students develop academic and life skills essential for success as college students and global citizens. Additionally, first year experience serves as the academic home for two groups of students. Those who are dual enrolled in high school in Georgia Southern and degree-seeking students who enter the university without a declared major. Promoting active major exploration from the point students are accepted to Georgia Southern. FYE first year experience help them to make informed decisions about their major by the end of the first year as a degree seeking student. Programs offered with the first year experience program at Georgia Southern University. First year experience faculty task force. Provost Linda Blaken formed the faculty task force in August 2006 and charged the group with developing challenges and support initiatives, particularly academic in nature, to strengthen the first year experience on campus. FYE 1220 first year seminar. The FYE 1220 is a 2-hour seminar that serves as an active introduction to college level inquiry and extend the orientation process into a student's first semester at Georgia Southern. The course is an opportunity to learn information literacy skills and meet other students and a faculty member with similar interests. The EAGER Incentive Program. And I'm familiar with this program, and it's short for EIP. This particular program is for students that want to come to Georgia Southern, but they don't make the grade. They don't pass the SAT or the ACT, or they don't make the entrance level grade to come to Georgia Southern as a regular student. So these students enroll in the summer of each term, and they take regular classes, and if they pass, they start out as a regular student of the fall semester. The EAGER Incentive Program, EIP, is designed for select students who are not regularly admitted for fall term, and is available on both the Statesboro and Armstrong campuses. These students begin classes in the summer, gaining access to campus resources and support to assist in their transition to college. This 5-week program runs concurrently with Georgia Southern summer term from mid-June to mid-July. Students live on campus with other participants, creating an engaged community with opportunities for success. And as I previously mentioned, these students come to Georgia Southern in mid-June, B term actually. And if they make the grade and pass the classes during that quarter, they are admitted they are eligible and admitted to Georgia Southern as a regular fall student, and they can start at the university in the fall. That's the EAGER Incentive Program. That's a program that's offered for first year experience at Georgia Southern University. And many colleges I been going through website. This the only program I know that Georgia Southern would do. And that is great. They have opportunity to have a chance at going to school, college, or university of their choice. The salary of an academic advisor or FYE advisor. The average salary for most academic advisors, including first-year students, range from $32,000 and up. The requirement to become an academic advisor is a bachelor's degree, but a master's degree in higher education administration is preferred. Also have effective communication skills and able to work well in a diverse environment. FYE advisement team at Georgia Southern. And these are some of the these are the advisement team. You have Brianna Calamas, she assistant director, academic advisor. Chris Kaplan is director, and Candice Gibson is an in advisement. And you have more academic advisor that work in the FYE program, student leadership and programming, Lanisha McCann and Isaac Taylor, coordinator of dual enrollment advising. And that's just more advisement team at Georgia Southern and more contact information. As far as challenges, I named a top 3 challenges in the FYE Academic Advising Program. Getting the student to declare their major. And there are times it takes most students, they still don't realize what they want to major in until they junior year or sophomore year. And another challenge I think is the Eagle Incentive Program. It's a very effective and good program, but it's so much crammed in that summer, in that one term, and if the student don't make the grade for the summer, they don't get to enroll at Georgia Southern. They have to find another school to go to because they don't meet the qualifications to come to Georgia Southern. And of course, students maintaining a certain GPA while they are in the first year experience program. And my reference page. And I hope everybody enjoyed my PowerPoint. And I know I really enjoyed this. Something I enjoy talking about is advising students. This is what I want to do. I want to become an academic advisor, and I think I'll be able to make a difference. And then eventually I want to move on and eventually go for my doctorate and teach at the college level. Teach college level courses. But I hope everybody enjoyed my PowerPoint, and I will see you guys later.